Hello students, welcome back. This is Shivaleela from Upper Public School. In the last clippings, we have completed exercise 5.1, isn't it? Fifth chapter explanation over, 5.1 exercise over. Then what is the next step? Obviously, next exercise, isn't it? Exercise 5.2. This exercise is completely based on revolution. What is meant by revolution? Revolution is nothing but moving an object in a circular motion, right? So, where and all we will observe that. Already in explanation part, I have explained it. See here, in a wall clock. See, these needles are moving in a circular motion, isn't it? So, they are covering revolutions. If it completes one complete circle, then it means it completed one revolution. Right? Then see, one complete circle gives you 4 right angles, right? Then one right angle gives you 1/4 of a revolution. Okay, see here. One complete revolution, circle makes 4 right angles. Then see, this is 12, this is a 3, this is a 6, this is a 9 in wall clock. Right? One right angle gives you 1/4 of revolution. Then 2 right angles, 2/4, that is nothing but half of a revolution. Then the 3 right angles, 3/4, 4 right angles, 1 complete revolution. That is clockwise. Okay. If it moves anti-clockwise like this, in reverse. Okay. So this whole exercise is completely based on revolution, that too under clock and direction. Okay. Come on, let us start. Okay. See, I'll use this wall clock also. Along with that, I'll draw for your reference. Okay. So 12, 3, 6, 9. Remaining it is 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Right? Come on. So now, first one. What fraction of a clockwise revolution does the hour hand of a clock turn through when it goes from 3 to 9? From 3 to 9. So it's a straight angle, right? It's a straight angle. That means how many part of revolution? 2 right. Straight angle means 2 right angle. 2 right angle is nothing but out of 4 right angles, 2 right angles, right? So therefore, 2/4 of revolution, that is nothing but half of a revolution. Okay. So half of a revolution. Half of a revolution. Next one. 4 to 7. 4 to 7. Come on, see here. This is 4. This is 7. From here to here. So how many hours? 3 hours. So this is the right angle. Okay, one right angle. Then one right angle. How many revolution? It is nothing but 1 out of 4, right? 1/4 of a revolution. 1/4 of a revolution. Then next one. 7 to 10. 7 to 10. Same way. This is 7. Here is 10. From 7 to 10. Again, this is also a right angle. Isn't it? So, one right angle means 1/4 of a revolution. Revolution. So, you know that every time I'll give some of the other problem as your work, right? 3 problems I have done. The remaining 3 is your work. Try. Okay? You can surely do it. Come on. Next. See how it related. In the first bit, they have given from where to where. We had to write the part of revolution. Now, in the next bit, they have given the part of revolution. From where it started also given. Where it will reach, that we have to write down. Okay. So first, see, read it. Where will the hands of a clock stop if it starts at 12, okay? Starts at 12 and makes half of a revolution. Half of a revolution means like this, right? I'll draw it once again on this side. Okay, now we have to write a solution here. So, see here. 12, 3, 6, 9. Okay, this is 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay, now from 12, okay, from 12, half of revolution, half means one straight angle, right? Right angle means 1/4, one right angle 1/4, two right angles half. Two right angle is nothing but straight angle, right? So half of revolution. So where it will stop? It will stop at 6, right? So come on, let us write it. The hour hand stops at 6. Okay, I'll write the 6 here only. Oh. Next, B1 starts at 2. Okay, starts at 2 and makes a half of a revolution again. Makes half of a revolution. Okay, half of a revolution. Come on, see here. Starts from 2. This is 1, this is 2, and makes half of a revolution. What is this number? This is 6, this is 7, this is 8. Right? So therefore, the hour hand stops at stops at 8. AM, PM, we don't know. Okay, they did not say is it anti-meridian or post-meridian, isn't it? Yes. Next, starts at 5. Starts at 5, makes 1/4 of a revolution. Starts at 5, makes 1/4 of a revolution. So where it will stop? 1, 2, 3. Right? So where will it stop? It stops at 7. Again, don't be surprised that I'm not writing and I'm showing you. This is your work. From onwards, half of work you will do it by yourself. Okay? So, see, from 5, 1/4, I mean 1 right angle. Okay, 1/4 of revolution means 1 right angle. That means it stops at 7. Next, starts at 5 and make 3/4. Starts at 5, make 3/4. This is 1/4. Okay, from here to here, this is 2/4. And from here to here, this is 3/4. So from 5, 3/4 of revolution. So where will it stop? Where will it stop? It stops at 1. Okay, it stops at 1. Next one, which direction will you? Okay, which direction will you stop? If you start phasing, they have given direction. Just now we completed in clock. Now direction. This is only about revolution. Next, again, after completion of this revolution, they will give revolution. We have to find the number of right angles, or number of right angles will be given. We have to find where will it stop or which direction will we face. Okay, vice versa. Come on. So, which direction will you face? Which direction will you face? Which direction will you face if you start facing? If you start phasing, if you start phasing, east and make half of revolution. First one, east and make half of a revolution. Half of a revolution. Obviously, for this we need a direction, right? East, west, north, south. Many students will do mistake here. Either they exchange these two or they exchange these two. Don't get confused. On right side east, on left side west. Upside north, downside south. Don't get confused. If you exchange, your answer will change. Okay, you get wrong answer. Did you get it? Yes. Come on. See, they said east and turn to make half of revolution. See, for half and full, no need to say clockwise or anti-clockwise. Both will reach there only. See, from east, clockwise also you will face there only. Even anti-clockwise also. See, half, anti-clockwise. Right? So, where will we face? I mean, where will we start? We will face towards west. Towards west. Right? Next one. East and make 1.5 revolution. Is there any difference between this and that? Come on, let us see. East and make 1.5 revolution. See what they said. From east, 1 complete revolution and then half. Okay, from east, 1 complete revolution and then 1 more half. Again, we will face towards west only now, isn't it? So we will face towards west. Then see one. West and make 3/4 of revolution. West and make 3/4 of revolution. Revolution anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. This is very important because from west, see, I'll use this one. From west, clockwise means like this. 3/4 will reach here. But they said it is anti-clockwise. So we have to move in reverse, like this. Okay. See, clockwise, how the hand of a clock starts to move. From here, like this it will move, right? Like this. Isn't it? Towards right side. Anti-clockwise in reverse. Okay, opposite of clock. Anti-clockwise. So we have to move in reverse, like this. Okay, towards left. Did you get it? Yes. See, so anti-clockwise means we have to start moving like this. So where will we face? We will face towards north. Okay? We will face towards north. Right? Yes. Next. Last one. It's your work. You can say you can give instant answer. South and make 1 full revolution. South. This is south and make 1 full revolution. Where will we face? And to say full revolution, is it necessary to say clockwise or anti-clockwise? See, clockwise also we will reach here only. Anti-clockwise also we will reach here only. So therefore, it is not necessary to say is it clockwise or anti-clockwise. Got it? Yes. Next one. What part of revolution What part of a revolution, what part of a revolution have you turned through? Have you turned through? If you stand facing, if you stand facing, if you stand facing east and turn clockwise, east and turn clockwise to face north, to face north. So let me draw one more. East, west, north, south. East and turn clockwise to face north. So how many right angles we covered here? See, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Total 4 right angles. Out of 4 right angles, we covered 3 right angles. Right? So therefore, 3/4 of a revolution. Okay? 3/4 of a revolution. Next one. South and turn. South and turn clockwise to face east. Clockwise to face east. Same, see. South. From south, clockwise to face east. How many right angles? See, same. 1, 2, 3. Out of 4, 3 right angles, right? Again, same. 3/4 of a revolution. Right? Yes. Next. See one thing. West turn clockwise to face east. West and turn clockwise to face east. So, from west clockwise to face east. How many right angles? From here to here 1, here to here 1. 2, right? 2 out of 4. 2 out of 4 is nothing but half. 2 out of 4. 2 ones are 2 2s. It's nothing but half. Right? So, therefore, half of a revolution. Right? Half of a revolution. Yes. So, up to 4th bit, they gave number of in clock where it turned, we had to write revolution. And then they gave part of revolution, we had to write where will it stop. In direction, first they gave revolution, part of revolution they gave, we had to write where which direction will we face. Then they gave in which direction we have already faced, we have to find a revolution. Now remaining bits regarding right angles, even here also I have said how many right angles. Same thing, instead of revolution we have to write number of right angles. Okay, come on, in both the clock and direction. Okay, so come on, you two can try by yourself. See, as I said I'm not going to do all. Okay, math is not a notes to copy from the board or the resources. It is to understand and apply, right? So understand and then apply. You will get the answer by yourself. If you stuck somewhere, anyhow, we are there for you, right? You can watch the video and you can refer this board as your reference wherever you stuck. Okay? Come on. Find the number of right angles. Okay, I'm not writing the heading, I'm reading it. Find the number of right angles turned through by the hour hand of a clock when it goes from 3 to 6. Okay? See, this is the hour hand, clock. 12, 6, 3, 9. This is 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Right? Yes. From 3 to 9, 3 to 6 they give. How many right angles? Only one. That is only answer. One right angle. Over. So simple. Isn't it? See, you may even think this is also a problem to solve. So easy, isn't it? Yes, it is so easy. Let us enjoy it. Okay? Next one. 2 to 8. 2 to 8. Come on. From 2, this is 2, okay? 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. From 2 to 8. It is a straight angle. Straight line, no. This is a straight line. Means a straight angle. Straight angle means how many right angles? Obviously 2 right angles. Right? Yes. Next, C1. 5 to 11. 5 to 11. Same. See here. From 5 to 11. Again, it's a straight line. Means a straight angle. Straight angle means how many right angles? Obviously, 2 right angles. Right? 2 right angles. Next, 10 to 1. 10 to 1. See here. 10 to 1. How many right angles? 1 right angle. Right? 1 right angle. Next. 12 to 9. From 12 to 9. Don't get confused here. Don't get confused here. 12 to 9. Most of the students will write it is 1 right angle. No, it is wrong. In the clock, our hand will not move like this. Okay? In the clock, our hand will not move like this. Like this it is. So from 12 to 9 means here. Okay? So, have you seen it? From 12 to 9. Okay? Our hand will not move move like this. It will move like this only, isn't it? So, from 12 to 9, 12 to 6, 2 right angles and 1 more. Total 3 right angles. Okay? E1, 12 to 9. Total 3 right angles. And last one is 12 to 6. You can write it by yourself. 12 to 6, straight line. That means 2 right angles, isn't it? Yes. Next bit. See what they gave here. How many right angles do you make if you start facing? Same way. Okay, here clock they gave. Here direction. Okay. Same number of right angles only you have to find. South and turn clockwise to west. South and turn clockwise to west. Clockwise to west. See here. East to west, north and south. Right? What they said, south and turn clockwise to west. How many right angles? Only 1 right angle, isn't it? 1 right angle. Right? Yes. Next one. North and turn anti-clockwise to east. North and turn anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise to face, to east. To east. Right? So, north and turn anti-clockwise means like this. 1, 2, 3. This is east. Right? So, how many right angles? 3 right angles. Okay? 3 right angles. Next, west and turn to west only. West and turn west only. Anti-clockwise or clockwise? One full revolution. One full revolution, how many west and turn west? West and turn to west. And turn to west. So, one complete revolution is nothing but how many right angles? 4 right angles. Right? Next. South and turn to north. South and turn to north. Again here, no need to give clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay? South to north. Either like this or like this. You will get same. How many right angles will you get? 2 right angles. Right? So, now we have a last bit. This last bit for you only, but I'll explain, okay? I'll explain you how to do, okay? Last bit, see where will the hour hand of a clock stop if it starts from 6, turns through one right angle. See, starts from 6, okay? And turns through one right angle. So where will it stops? It stops at 9, right? In the same way, remaining on from 8 through two right angles. From 8, 2 right angle is nothing but one straight angle. So where will it stops? It stops at 2, isn't it? Next, from 10, 3 right angles. From 10, 2 right angle is one straight angle, and from here one more right angle. Where will it stops? It stops at 7, okay? It stops at 7. Right? Next, 7 and 2 straight angles. From 7, one straight angle, see here. From 7, one straight angle is to 1. From there, one more straight angle. So where will it reach? It reach at 7 only, isn't it? Yes. So, how was it? It was very easy, isn't it? Yes. So, in the next exercise, we have completely based on angles, types of angles. Okay. We'll meet in the next clipping with next exercise. Until then, keep solving these all. Okay. Afterwards, one clipping will be based on revision. Let us revise these many chapters, how many chapters we have already done completely. Okay, shall we? Come. So in the next clipping, we'll solve one more exercise. Afterwards, we'll go for revision. Okay, until then, keep smiling, be at home, keep solving the problems. Okay, bye-bye. Exact.